Hey everybody, Bill here, Restored Hot Rods. Thanks for checking back. Boy, the last week and a half has been lousy for me. Sunshine, what a change. We had a couple of storms, but working on the computer, it finally happened to me. I was editing the last video and I got the little circling wagon wheel or whatever you want to call it of death, and it wouldn't work. It wouldn't go. It wouldn't load. And I played and played and played. I played and played and played with it. Got angry with it. Then went back to it and did all my research. And I'm not a computer guy. So I got a new computer coming. The old one I had was, well, it was used. It was old. I didn't expect it was going to last forever. It wouldn't run the editing software. Wouldn't do it. I tried to load it and it just crashed. The video card was shot and the computer's little, and so I upgraded it. So I ordered it. Then I changed my mind and sent it back and ordered it again. And you know how it goes. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of fumbling around trying to figure out what I'm doing. But by the time I get done this video, hopefully I'll have the new computer up and running and have things going again. We'll see. Well, there it is. And no, I don't have the grill in it. See the milk crates it's sitting up on top of? I'm just trying to get it figured out where it goes. That's the original grill. That's the original bumper. That's about where it goes. It actually has to drop down about an inch. But these frame horns here are too high, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to cut those off, if that'll get me far enough back, or what. I gotta take some more measurements here. It's got to go down about another inch, because right now, yeah, this has got to go down another inch. And there's the latch. This right here goes in between the latch, so you can just get up in there underneath there and grab it. So we're gonna work on that for a bit. Hey, we got a sunny day. Hazel's got her Frisbee. You got your Frisbee, Hazel? Good girl. I know, I see you, I know. This is pretty close to where it goes. The top of the grill here, from this pan, we're looking at right about 18 inches. So I need to clear that. I'm pretty sure that just went underneath here, so see how close we can get. This has got to be, so I need more than 18 and a quarter or so from here. So I'll pull this off of here, see how close I can get. Ugh. I tell you, this grill's no slouch. It's weighty. Well, that's where it's sitting there now. We'll level on it. That's pretty flat. So I need 18, huh? Or thereabouts. That is bowed up. I wonder if I could, well. Man, this bumper is something too. I'll flip it over here and show you. If I can do it without breaking my foot. Wow. Okay. As you can see, that's where the grill mounts right there. And it used to bolt to the frame here and here, I believe. Now what it's got these big hooks, big toe hooks go on the front of it. Those are original. I really want to use those. So I'll figure out how to use those. Let me see here. Let me flip that back over. Now that bumper I got sitting on top of the frame rails now. Space it up about 1.5 inches. It'll kind of fit there. That's kind of where it wants to be. Now these big hooks originally went there like that. And those are so awesome. I got to use those. Like that. And they're massive, and they're just awesome. So, I need over 18. So now I'm, oh, shoot, 16. So it's got to drop down a little over 2 inches. How far back? I'm not sure. Okay, so I got this pretty much figured out. This pan here overlapped that 1/4-inch steel plate underneath that reinforces these, the bumper mount and these, the grill and the hooks rather. So it's pretty much where it goes. It's back about as far as it can go. I got about a 1/2 inch clearance for the body on either side. And up to here, that was 18. I got about 16. 18 1/4. Well, yeah, I was at 18. Here I'm at 16. So I think I just have to notch the top of the frame knit rail down 2 inches. 2 inches from where it is, yeah. And I'll be able to drop this on, I think. At least that's what I'm going to go for. That's what I'm going to try. See how that works. Hazel, I don't need your Frisbee. I really don't need it. Okay, it's still too high. I know I'm too high on this side. Well, it's clearly too high on that side. So I've been working on this. Get a light over here. Looks kind of weird like this. But I got this 1/4-inch 2x2 angle. I may beef it up some more. I don't know. I don't know if it's going to need it. Maybe. Drill a couple holes, put some reliefs in it to go around the rivets, hold the springs on. Same thing on this side. These bolts are just temporary. And I get some 1/2 inch grade 8 to go in there like that. Yeah, I don't know, let's put this back together, see how it works. Oh, this bumper's a beast. Hey, look at that. Of course, it's going to go back in there. Sit like that. It's just sitting there. Okay, there it is. I got the brackets bolted in there. That looks like it's pretty much where it goes. That looks pretty good. Then we got pretty good relief around here. That fits pretty well. That's going to go back a little bit. Pretty much the same relief here. Get that original bumper back on. Yeah, this bolts, it shouldn't be a problem. I might be able to catch that one. Maybe. I don't know. I might do a bracket down below. We'll see.